Okay, in this lesson we're going to talk about sorting and we're going to continue a few things on arrays. You'll notice I've already set up a couple examples rather than having to retype them, but let's cover some of the things that we're going to go over in this course. We'll be talking about the sort function, the rsort, asort, arsort, ksort, and krsort. All of these sort arrays in different ways. So for my first example right here, I've created $names and I've created a simple array of Michael, Joe, and Sam. If I output that, we can see an output of Michael, Joe, and Sam. But that is not sorting alphabetically, ascending or descending. It's just in the same order that I created the array. So let's go ahead and say sort names. So when you add the sort names and you press enter, now it's sorting them alphabetically. Let's do an rsort. Now it's sorting them alphabetically descending. We can see the same thing with numeric values. As you can see, I have some random numeric values here. And if I uncomment this, and we'll just publish that and see what it looks like, I just have those random values in the same structure as they are in the array. Let's go ahead and do a sort on numbers. And see what that does. And now you can see it's sorting numerically ascending. We can do an rsort. And now it's sorting descending. So that's pretty simple stuff. Now let's move on to associative arrays. They have the same basic idea here, only there's two different options. We can assort by the key or we can assort by the value. So here we're assorting, a sort will sort by the value in an associative array ascending. A rsort will sort by the value in associative array descending. Similarly, ksort will sort by the key in the associative array ascending, and krsort will sort by the key in the associative array descending. So what's the key and the value? This right here would be the key, and this right here would be the value of that key. So as you can see here, I'm doing a for each. Now we haven't done this before exactly. We did a similar array to this before. We did a similar array like this before, only we didn't display the keys, we just displayed the values. So if I want to search for the actual key and value, what I've done is I've done a command here called array keys. And I've used the array keys function on the age, which is the name of my array. And I've defined that as A. Now, in my echo statement, I'm saying A, which will be the array keys. So that should display Mike, Ben, and Chris. And then I've created a bit of a space. In fact, we can even go a little further and say is years old. So this should be my names. Is, then I take the name of the array, which is age, and I apply A to it. So that would be very similar to me doing something like this. Age of Mike. What it's saying is, I want to find the value of Mike in the array. Well, the value of Mike is 65. So because we know that we're outputting our keys as A, we can say the age of A, which is Mike, Ben, and Chris, and it should output the name, the age, and our text. So let's go ahead and test it. Mike is 65 years old, Ben is 22, and Chris is 75. But maybe we want to sort by their age ascending. So in this case, we're going to do the value, so it's going to be an A sort. And we're going to go ascending it first. So A sort on age. And now we have their ages sorted ascending. But maybe I don't want their ages ascending. Maybe I want their names ascending. Well, that would be the key. So let's do a K sort. Now it's ascending, or now it's sorting ascending by name. But maybe we want to reverse that and sort by their name descending. So we'll just do a KR sort. And there it is, sorting descending by name. Lastly, we can do an AR sort, and we'll sort descending by the value. And 75, 65, and 22. So that's pretty basic. You may want to watch this video one more time just to make sure that you get all the ideas, the new concepts in the array for the associative array that we've done right here, and also the different sorting options as I've listed right here. This is the last lesson in the 201 course, so we're going to move on now to a challenge.